Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to mint seed Mon. First, you'll need to choose a blockchain platform that supports your digital asset. Next, set up a secure digital wallet, which is essential for storing your minted items. Make sure your wallet is funded with enough cryptocurrency to cover any transaction fees, often called gas fees, which are necessary to process your minting request on the blockchain. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth minting experience. Now, let's prepare your digital asset. This involves either creating a new unique item or selecting an existing one you wish to tokenize. You'll then need to define its metadata, which includes important details like the asset's name, a brief description, and any specific properties it might have. Finally, double-check that your asset's file format and size comply with the requirements of your chosen minting platform to avoid any issues during the process. With your asset ready, it's time to execute the mint. Begin by connecting your digital wallet to the minting application or website. Once connected, you can upload your prepared digital asset along with all its defined metadata. Carefully review all the transaction details, including any associated fees, before giving your final approval. This action will initiate the minting process on the blockchain, creating your unique digital item. Congratulations, your seed Mon is now minted. The first step after minting is to verify its presence in your digital wallet. Take a moment to confirm all details are correct. If you wish, you can then consider listing your unique digital asset on a suitable marketplace for others to discover. Finally, don't forget to share your new creation with the wider digital community and celebrate your successful mint.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.